Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I hope everyone had a great week. Today I'm going to be making gold oversized vases. I'm going to first start off by cutting 4 inches off this piece of foam board. And I'm going to use these 2 canvases that I got from the Dollar Tree to create the opening of the vase. And this was around 5 by 8. Now I'm going to start creating the neck of the vase. And I cut it out after I got it to the size that I wanted it to be. After that, I got this metallic gold paper that everyone keeps asking me about, and I feel so bad that I cannot find it. But I'm going to take my piece of foam board and I'm going to trace. And here I'm just correcting the lines to make sure they are straight, because like I told you guys, I suck at cutting straight lines, so I'm not even going to try myself. And after that was done, I went ahead and cut it out. And now I'm gonna attach my poster board to my foam board. And I made 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. As you can see, I've already pre-cut my pieces, and I'm going to be attaching them by using the Gorilla Glue sticks. And these pieces were used from other projects that I had extra foam board pieces from. So it was pretty easy just going and measuring every piece and then cutting it to size. And since you guys cannot find a metallic gold poster board, you can always just paint this gold. And I'm also making sure that the corners are connected so they won't fall apart later. And now I'm going to glue on the front of the vase. Now that the front is complete, I am going to start attaching the metallic poster boards to the sides. And now that that part is done, I'm going to take a strip of the metallic poster board and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to be using this to cover the edges of the vase. And now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to put a trim around the neck of the vase. And then now I am covering the mouth of the vase with some more metallic poster board. And voila, I'm pretty much done with this project. It came out so beautiful. This is what I've been imagining for the last couple of weeks, and I'm glad that I actually just went ahead and did it because I'm going to be using these vases everywhere. Thank you all so, so much for your love and support. I love your comments. You guys are so sweet. Please remember to stay safe. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. Have a great one.